to you guys about this performance-built 2017 log splitter because it was the best $1,000 I have spent to date. So, got some dead, dry cherry there, but just did a huge cherry round, and that was the very last thing before the bell flare, which sometimes those pieces can be nice and gritty. I got a piece of locust with a really nasty crotch and some burrs all over it. Big chunk. See how she does here. Bad locust. Well, as you guys saw, Works pretty well. It's not a like, you know, 38 ton or whatever, 40 ton, you know, that's gonna blow through big nasty wood, but it's also $1,000. So for me, you know, I'll just noodle up any big wood that I have with the chainsaw. It's easy. I actually keep all the nice small prime size stuff like that 90% of the time for myself because I have a tree service. But that big log, I just brought that out because I wanted to show you guys that it'll split some big nasty stuff too. That's just, wow, that's prime cherry, ready to go. I'll let it dry for a little bit. But anyway, this is about the log splitter. So one thing I'm not like a huge fan of on this splitter, and that's kind of across the board, is this vent. It definitely allows for water to get in. I got to change that. But this motor's been great, to be honest. It's been really good. This is, I think, about 2 years. God bless me. I've had this for about 2 years, so I've waited a while, honestly, to make a video on it because I just didn't know how it would hold up, and I wanted to make sure before I gave an honest review that I've used it for a while. I mean, it's not done a ton. It's might have done 8 cords, maybe 10 cords, maybe a hair more. But yeah, no complaints about it so far. Yeah, it's hot. If you're looking for a like reasonably priced log splitter, I bought this at Lowe's, and I honestly would buy another one tomorrow if I needed to. You know, it's just everything you need. Nothing you don't need. It's not super fancy or super powerful, but I haven't put anything in it that it wouldn't split. So, I mean, and I've put some nasty stuff just to check it out, some crazy crotch pieces, and it takes its time, you know, but it blows through there eventually, so I would buy it. There's tons of other great products out there. I just wanted something that was kind of, you know, affordable. But anyway, guys, thank you for checking this out. Give me a comment. Let me know what you think if you have the splitter, what your experience, you know, and let me know what you think about it. I'd honestly say, you know, go ahead. It's $1,000. Even if you didn't like it, you could use it for a year and probably still get close to that, you know, money's worth out of it. But well, I'm going to, as promised, make some saw videos soon. I just was splitting today, and I thought I would hop in, make a video quick on this. So subscribe and like the video, so appreciated. I actually quite enjoy making videos on stuff that I use, use, whatever, you know, just to let everybody know I've found a ton of value through the years in being able to watch a video before I bought something. So thanks, guys. See you on the next one.